Hello, welcome to Session-19. In this session, we will discuss about another few style attribute related properties. Prior to this session, we have already discussed various types of properties that we can apply with style attribute. So this session is in the continuation of the same. And before we start the session, I would like to request you, like if you haven't watched the previously published session, then I recommend you to please go and check out the previously published sessions first, because these all sessions are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow the playlist in a sequential manner, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay, fine. So now we are good to start, and here you can see so far, like I have just noted down the basic structure of a HTML program, so you can read it from here itself. Like we just declared one, we have noted down some comments, then just to show you the topic name, presenter name, and special note. Then we have heading tag, where we are mentioning HTML by Sharmit, so it would come as a heading on my web page. Then we have paragraph tab, where we have mentioned welcome to the Session-19 podcast, which is just a normal text. And this paragraph we are going to use for implementing all those properties. Okay, so let me show you the output as well for this basic structure of the code. So you can see this is the output. Clear? Normal heading and normal text. Now, today we are going to talk about the style attribute cursor. Okay, so what is cursor, how we use it, and what is the requirement, what all possible values are there. Okay, so right now, like on default text, if you take your mouse pointer, you will see that it shows this input icon. Okay, this I, which indicates that we are supposed to insert it something here, right? And similarly here as well. So instead of this, what all other options we can show on a mouse hover, that thing we are going to discuss in today's session. So let's try some things. So firstly, I'm just going to copy this paragraph and I'll paste it here, and let's apply some properties. So style attribute, then here we will use cursor. So once you select cursor, it will ask for all these options. Okay, so let's say I want to go with a, let's search for pointer. Okay, and then hit enter. So what it will do now, it will show us a pointer when we take our mouse on text. Let me show you. You can see in heading it is coming as default because we have not applied anything yet, but in case of paragraph we have applied pointer. Okay, I think it is not saved, I guess. Refresh it. Yeah, now you can see there is another paragraph where when we take the mouse pointer, it will show us this pointer symbol. Okay, so you can see now it is showing this pointer icon, and through this only, like, user can understand, okay, there is something clickable. You have checked, like we always use websites, right? So there you have, for sure you have encountered with this type of scenario where when we take the mouse cursor on the text, it shows this icon for a clickable, although this is not a clickable yet because we have not applied anything related to clickable, but it is showing this pointer. And in this session we are just going to discuss like how we can see whether it has the pointer or not. So this icon we can apply using cursor. Now what all other options we have, let's explore one by one. So let me copy it again, paste it here. Now we will apply some different properties. So let's go with style. Property would be the same, but values would be the different. So here I will write again the cursor, and this time I will select for a crosshair. So let's see what it will provide. Refresh the web browser. Now if I take the mouse pointer, you can see it is showing this plus icon or the crosshair. Okay, so this is also one option through which we can indicate user that there is something to be trimmed, maybe, because if you have used the snipping tool, you know that there is this icon comes, right? All right, so now the next thing is let's copy it again with some different, there are various values that you can apply as per your requirement. So I'll show you some of them. So style, cursor, then we have this maybe the default, no, grab. Yeah, grab is one thing. So let's see what it shows. Refresh it, and now you can see this is showing this grab icon. Okay, so these are the different options. Like here it is coming as pointer, then crosshair, then this drag. So as per your requirement, when you want to show a user a text which can be dragged, so you can use this pointer. When you want to show a user a text or a element which can be selected, so you can go with this option. When you want to show just a pointer or a clickable pointer, then you can use it this. Okay. All right. Now, is there any other value that we can apply? Yes, there are many values that we can apply as per our requirement. So let me copy one more here. So I'll just save it and we will apply the style attribute here, style, and then you can search for the cursor again. Now we have various options, like help is one thing. So if I select help, you will see in case of help it is showing this question mark. Okay, so when you want to show user a help icon or help indicator, then you can use this mouse. So whenever you take the pointer on this text or this particular element, it will show this question mark icon. Okay, so let's try one more thing. So why I'm showing all these, because these are very important, and there is there are some time requirement in project to use these things. So it's better to explore the important things from here. Like we have various things, right? Pointer, we have row size, text. So from here you can select zoom in, zoom out is also there. Let's see what it shows. So if I refresh it, now you can see it is showing this magnifying glass for plus. That means we are doing zoom in. And similarly, if you want to go with zoom out, you can paste it here, save it and refresh it. Now it is showing. Okay, we have not changed it to out. So if you change it to out, it will show you that now it is coming with a minus sign. Above one is plus for maximizing it, and this one is minus for minimizing it. Okay, so that's why this is how we can utilize different type of values, and you can see there are various options that we can apply with this cursor. Okay, and this is one of very useful property, I would say, because as per your requirement there might be various condition which where we are supposed to use the styling for cursor. So at that moment you can use it. Okay, now you can see we have default move. So you can just scroll it down and it will show you all possible values that we can apply. Weight is there, and another one is the progress. Yes, let me show you that. So if you go with a progress, it will show you a progress bar. You can see now it is showing this progress icon on this text. So you can like explore all these options, because these all are very important option. Okay, so you can see now whenever I'm changing my mouse pointer, whenever I am hovering the mouse pointer on different elements, it is showing me different output, because we have applied all these. Okay, so likewise you can also try to explore these things, so that at least it will, because one if you used it for one time, it would help and remember you for the next time. Like whenever there is a need to implement such type of thing, you can simply it will click in your mind that yes, we can do this with just a simple line of code. Okay, we haven't write anything special, we just use one tag, and inside that tag we just apply the style attribute with the cursor for different options. Okay, so I think now these options are clear, and you can but like things are okay, because we have discussed each and everything here in detail, but still I would recommend you to please go and check out all these options. Okay, there are various options that is useful for us, so it's always recommended to explore these things. So let's see what will, because we don't know like how many options are there, so it's better. Now you can see it is showing the plus for copy. Okay, although this is the older thing, but still, yeah, if there is any requirement where we are supposed to show this copy thing, copy icon, so you can use, and these are all options for the pointer itself. Okay, no drop is there, none is there, resize is there, pointer, row resize, text, weight is also there. Weight is also very useful. So you can simply use all these options: alias, all scroll, auto, cell. Okay, So as per your requirement, like we just saw the weight is also one of the popular value for this cursor attribute, because sometime like when we are loading some data, so at that moment we can show this weight icon if the link is not enabled yet, so it will show you something like this. Don't get confused between progress and weight, because they look similar, but in case of progress, if I show you, not sure where, I think third. So this is progress icon where mouse click is pointer is also there, right? But in case of weight, it is showing like this. Clear? So yeah, I hope these all options are clear to all of you, and in the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.